हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल स्टडी एंड अचीव। आज आप लोग की स्पेशल डिमांड पे मैं यूपी पीजीटी साइकोलॉजी का प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर इंग्लिश वर्जन का लेकर आई हूँ। अगर किसी को हिंदी वर्जन देखना है तो वो मेरी पहले की वीडियोस देख सकता है। तो चलिए, द टास्क ऑफ सेपरेटिंग टू स्टिमुलस मैसेज इज़ डिपेंड अपॉन। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन था, इसका राइट आंसर क्या होगा? ऑल ऑफ दी एबव। सेकेंड, हु फॉर्म्ड लर्न हेल्पलेसनेस मॉडल? किसने फॉर्म किया था हेल्पलेसनेस मॉडल को? सेलिंगमैन। नंबर 3, इन एन इम्प्रेशन फॉर्मेशन एक्सपेरिमेंट एज कंक्लूडेड दैट ओपिनियन अबाउट इंडिविजुअल्स आर फॉर्म्ड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ। तो राइट आंसर क्या होगा? इन्फॉर्मेशन गिवन इन द बिगनिंग। व्हाट कॉजेज रिलीजनिज्म इज फूड हैबिट लैंग्वेज एंड लाइफ स्टाइल? क्या होगा? जियोग्राफिकल। इंडस्ट्री ड्राइव्स this through innovation. The right answer is competitive advantage. Question number 6. These tests measure whether an individual has the capacity to learn a given job if adequate training is given. The right answer is aptitude test. 7. In which is the method in which interviewer train the candidate by interrupting the complainant from answering? The right answer is stress interview. In this type of strike, workers do not work for an hour or a day. In the type of strike, workers do not work hour on a day. Right answer is protest. This is formulated to prevent industrial conflict relating to employment condition. What condition? Standing order. What is the method where organism asks candidate to send the name and address to person who can be connected for? The right answer is reference. Introducing the new employee to industry who is designated as prohibitor to the job is known as induction. The right answer is induction. Who said the personality is the dynamic organization of those psychophysical systems that determines unique adjustment of individual to his environment? किसने कहा था ये? The right answer is Allport. 13. The recommendation of which committee are accepted by UP government to establish Bureau of Psychology in Allahabad? The right answer, Narendra Dev. 14. What kind of memory is used for acquiring skill and habits? What kind of procedure? Question number 15. Which need is the need hereditary theory is based on self-fulfillment? The right answer, self-actualization. 16. Who gave the following definition? Emotion is the complex affective experience that involves psychological change and can be expressed behavior. किसने कहा था ये? चार्ल्स जी मोरिस. 17. Two schedules of reinforcement that produce the highest rate of response are. The right answer, variable interval and variable ratio. Question number 18. According to trichomatic theory of color version, which of the following the three types of color? Three types of cones. तो कौन से थ्री टाइप्स थे? रेड, ब्लू एंड ग्रीन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 19. Who provided for the first time the powerful set of pictorial clues? किसने प्रोवाइड किया था? वर्दाइमर ने. Sohan met the head injury in the road accident. Since the accident, Sohan is unable to form new memories. He remember many things which he did before accident, but he cannot remember what said 15 minutes ago. The parts of Sohan brains which most probably injured was hippocampus. The variable manipulated by the experimenter is called independent variable. The habituation of responses is called. क्या कहते हैं उसे? ऑटोमेटिसिटी, स्वचालिता. Question number 23. What is the called when the rate of learning considerably diminishes? What is fatigue? A sudden and temporary alteration is unconscious in identity or motor behavior indicates. Associative disorder. Question number 25. Benefits of selection are determined by following. कौन सा होता है? वैलिडिटी ऑफ सिलेक्शन मेथड, लो सिलेक्शन रेशियो, लो बेस रेट ऑफ सक्सेस, ऑल ऑफ द एबव. हु सेड दैट इंटेलिजेंस हैज़ मल्टी फैक्टर कंपोनेंट? किसने कहा था? L. थर्स्टोन ने कहा था. 27. दिस टेस्ट बिकम आइडियल मॉडल फॉर मैनी इंटेलिजेंस टेस्ट. किसका टेस्ट था? टर्मन टेस्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 28. दिस डिसऑर्डर इज कॉज्ड बाय अ फेल्यूर ऑफ मदर्स 21st chromosomes pair to separate. The right answer is Down syndrome. 9. What is the personality trait that indicates an individual ability to adjust his or her behaviors to external situational factors? The right answer is self-monitoring. Which theory assumes that employees dislike work, are lazy, dislike responsibility, and must be correct to perform? Theory X. Question number 31. This technique assesses basic needs by asking people to make the story on picture. The right answer थर्मेटिक एप्रिसिएशन टेस्ट, इसको TAT टेस्ट भी कहते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 32. द कॉन्सिक्वेंस ऑफ डिप्रिवेशन और इनविल ऑफ एनल स्टेज इज एबनॉर्मल कॉन्कर्न विथ ऑर्डरनेस. Rapport is established in administration of personality inventory. The right answer is frank and honest responses. Feedback from pilot experimental research does ensure more understanding of. क्या होगा? इंस्ट्रक्शन, प्रोड्यूसन, डिज़ाइन, ऑल ऑफ द एबव. DMK पार्टी इज ऑफ द विच स्टेट? कौन सी पार्टी के स्टेट थे? तमिलनाडु. पुलिंग अ स्ट्रिंग रैटल्स बाय अ इन्फेंट डेमोन्स्ट्रेटर. नीड फॉर सेंसरी स्टिमुलेशन. Question number 37. In which activity the applicant are brought around a consequence room and asked to discuss a case study? केस स्टडी के बारे में आकर मिलकर डिस्कस करना क्या हुआ? ग्रुप डिस्कशन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 38. इमोशनल अराउजल डिस्प्रेप. द राइट आंसर इज एबिलिटी टू प्ले गेम ऑफ चेस. क्वेश्चन 39. दिस इज द रिजल्ट ऑफ फंडामेंटल मेलाडजस्टमेंट, injustice and economic disturbance. The right answer, strikes. Question number 40. For what purpose career information is given in vocational guidance? The right answer, choosing a particular vocation, making a career decision, choosing an academic course, all of the above. Question number 41. These motives are closely tied to a learning concept. The right answer, secondary. What is it when Ratter observed decision making abilities under stress, organizes ability and memory ability? The right answer, in basket exercise. Question number 43. Which part of personality judge whether an action is right or wrong as per the set norms and standards of the society? The right answer is superego. What is the individual propensity to manipulate people for achieving his or her self-interest? The right answer is Machiavellianism. Question number 45. What refers to encoding, storage and retrieval for information? The memory. Which need to related this basic needs of human life, such as food, clothing and shelter. तो क्या है? Physiological need. Question number 47. What work as a reinforcing agent to a drive? The right answer, initiative. 48. Which of the following provide a key structure to personality and behavior of an individual? The right answer is learning. Question number 49. Which element is the artificial stimulus in Pavlov classical conditional learning? क्या होगा इसका आंसर? बेल. क्वेश्चन नंबर 50, अकॉर्डिंग टू ट्यूबलिंग द 3 सिस्टम ऑफ मेमोरी आर। तो सिस्टम मेमोरी के कौन कौन से हैं? प्रोसीड्यूरल मेमोरी, सेमेंटिक मेमोरी एंड एपिसोडिक मेमोरी। तो फ्रेंड्स आज के लिए बस इतना ही। इसके आगे का पार्ट मैं लेकर आऊँगी। सो कीप वॉचिंग माई वीडियोज़।